Hi, how are you doing? Matt Connor here. Today's Thursday, October 24th, 2013, and we're going to look at a low price growth stock to buy. As you can see, the industry that this company is data storage devices, and we see the company is having an upside 12-month potential of 28.8%. And the name? The name is Teradata Corporation, ticker symbol TDC. Let's take a quick look at some of its facts about the company. Teradata Corporation provides analytical data solutions worldwide. The company offers data warehousing solutions that include software, hardware, and related business consulting and support services. So, it's pretty straightforward. You can just think of this as a data storage company that has a global footprint. 60% of its revenues are from domestic sources, and the remaining 30 to 40% are international. Teradata is headquartered in Dayton, Ohio. It was founded in 1979. It has 10,200 employees. Its ticker symbol is TDC. It's in the technology sector, and the industry, its competitors are, among other, data storage device providers. Annual revenue in the last 12 months has been $2.6 billion, so, it's definitely a sizable company. The net income is, the last 12 months, also been decent at $383 million, and cash from operations, $614 million. This is not a tiny company. Pretty decent size. The market capitalization is at $7.4 billion, and although it has quite a bit of size to it, we see it as having some strong growth ahead of it as well. So here's its products and services page. They don't really provide you pictures of their box machines. I imagine that might just look pretty boring to look at. But here's their logo, Teradata, and here's some of the headlines they have on their website. More choices with Teradata, unified data architecture, data-driven marketing, happening right now, unleashing the power of data. Teradata Aster revolutionizes big data storage, data strategy. So here are some of its key metrics of the company. As I already mentioned, the annual revenues at $2.6 billion over the last 12 months. The operating margins for 2012 were at 27%, and for 2013 they're tracking to be 26%. I consider that flat in my book. And cash from operations, last 12 months, $614 million. Now taking a look at some of its valuation ratios. The trailing PE ratio is at 20.1, and for a technology company that's growing, that feels about right. And the forward PE ratio is at 14.3, and that implies quite a bit of earnings growth, going from 20.1 to 14.3. The PEG ratio, 1.2. The price to sales ratio, 2.7. The price to book is 4.0. And the enterprise value to EBITDA is at 10.5 right now. Teradata's recent closing price is at $45.45. It's 52-week high. It's been $70.76. The 52-week low has been as low as $41.11. So, it's trading closer to its low than its high right now, that's for sure. The 20-day moving average is at 50.27. The 50-day is at 55.95, and the 200-day moving average is at 57.28. So that relationship is a declining price pattern, but we're confident about the prospects this company has around the corner, and we think the recent price pullback is just kind of an overreaction related to the outlook for emerging markets. This company is traded pretty well. It's definitely liquid. The average daily volume is 2.1 million shares. And the beta is 1.14. So the company pretty much moves historically with the stock market. The dividend yield, or the average dividend payout ratio is at 0. They don't pay dividends. This is why we consider this a growth stock. And here is the price chart for TDC over the last year. You can see that it's pulled back from around that $70 level back late January, and it declined down to 50, and then increased back up around $65 in mid-August, and it recently pulled back again to say $45. So, like we said, we think that this is an overreaction. This company has a lot of good things, and we just think it got ahead of itself. And right now, it's a great opportunity to get into. So its financial statement quality, it's excellent. They have great financials. The profit margin trend is flat. The price pattern trend, we just talked about that as declining, but we don't see it going much lower, and we see opportunities right around the corner. And the market outlook, we still view it as bearish. We think all this quantitative easing is keeping bond interest rates low in general, so that's pushing more money into the stock market and creating high valuations. So we're not saying crash, but we personally think that there'll be a general market pullback. And that's a side note. Back to Teradata. Recent closing price at $45.45. Our 12-month price target for this company is $58.52, and that gives this company a 12-month potential of 28.8% upside. So that's our summary on Teradata. We think it's a solid growth opportunity, great financials, good story, global footprint. The stock to really take a look at, and it's a good time to get in as well. So if you haven't already, sign up for our Saturday morning updates. Just go to www.gmcstockpicks.com, and on Saturday mornings you'll receive a nice summary of the latest headlines for the recent additions to the website, and you'll be among the first to hear about investment opportunities you won't hear anywhere else. These opportunities are a result of using our own self-developed proprietary algorithms. We're new on the block, and we want to show everybody just how good we are. So don't miss up. Sign up here. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. No problems. So that's all we got for the week, and I'll be talking to you next week. Take care.